Hello, Merry Christmas to each every one of us. On behalf of Windsor Outreach, we are here to celebrate our Christmas party here at San Alfonso's Hall. Join us po. You're invited. Today is December 21, 2024. Start po tayo ng 12 noon sharp po. Okay, God bless everyone. Bye-bye. Pinapakita ko lang yung aming simple arrangement. Ayan po. Kasi may mga presentation po kami. Thank you so much. God bless. Ayan po. Love, love, love lang po. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you. Thank you, Jesus, Mary, and Joseph. Yan po ang sabi ng aming pari dito. Bye now. God bless.